Probability, I heard someone say that.
It's got random.
Hey, it's got random, right? Now, please hear me very clearly on this. When you go to random, do not do random number. I know that sounds weird. Random number will only give you a number between 0 and 1. What kind of numbers were we selecting off the random digit table? Yes, think about the question again though. What type of numbers did we get on the random digit table? What's an integer?
Oh, don't even.
Okay, so an integer is a positive or negative whole number, meaning there's no decimals. What we are getting are random integers. So you want to select integer, and notice the parentheses there. So with random integer, all you do is you put the first number that you want. So what's the first number we could get? 1. You don't have to do 0, 0, 1, which is nice. Then you're going to hit the comma that's on the bottom left-hand corner of the calculator. Right? So way down here below the pi symbol, right next to O. So hit comma. And what's the largest number we might want?
348.
348. And I'm going to hit enter. So for me, what's the first number I'm going to select?
329.
Okay, I was going to say, did anyone else get 329?
Yeah.
Okay, because these calculators are set up using a program. What we need to do is we need to seed our calculators. So go to menu again, go back to probability and random. We need to seed the calculators so that we all get different numbers. What I'm going to do is I'm going to type in my birthday along with the year so that I get different seed than everybody else. So I'm going to do 0318 1991. Put in different digits, right? Put in your birthday, and it's going to seed your calculator. And we're going to redo random integer. We're going to get different numbers.
Which one we put in?
Mine just said,
You
Yeah, just say done for now. Now, has everyone gotten to that done? Do I need to redo any of that?
Maybe.
Okay? Did you go to the random seed?
And what I type into? Oh.
So yeah, you type in your birthday and then hit enter, and it should say done right now.
oh, wait, I ain't put my
Okay, so redo that quickly. Now, I want to point this out. Please listen. One of my, I do like this. I want to point out, I love what Max and Devlin are doing right now. You struggling or didn't get something, talk with each other, right? That's why you're in small groups. I encourage that. But one of the things I love about these calculators is I don't have to go all the way back through hitting menu and all that stuff again. If you just use the directional pad and scroll up until it's the rand integer is highlighted, which is not showing on my up here, but if you go till it's highlighted, you can hit enter and it brings it right back down. Why is it not showing? There we go. It was over there, just not here. That's weird. Okay, so at this point, enter. I got 233. Anybody else get 233? So if you hit up on the directional pad until rand integer is highlighted in blue, keep going, hit enter, and it brings it down. Okay? So again, you just scroll up. Now, keep doing that. How many words do we need? How many words? 5. So I'm going to bring it down and hit enter again. Now, one thing I'm going to say is this. If you get the same word, it's not likely, but if you do, skip it the second time and select another thing. Now, you want an even easier way, other than having to do that 5 times? I know that sounds crazy, there's another easier way, but watch this. I'm going to bring this down, comma. Hey look, I've got my lowest number I want, the highest number I want, and how many numbers do I want? So I'm going to type 5. It gives me 5 integers right away. I'll come by. If you're not lost, go ahead and find the 5 words that you need. I will come by and help you individually on the calculator side. Okay?
So tell me what
So
how do you highlighted random integers?
and you got the number 38. So you're going to pick the 38th word.
Okay.
And you can hit enter and bring it down and hit enter, and now you're going to do the 40th word. Right? You good with that? Same thing that you did with the random digit table. You're averaging the word length. So you need 5 of those. And all I was pointing out at this point is, instead of doing those two, you could hit comma and put 5, and it's gonna give you all 5 numbers at once. Okay? Yeah, it's right on the outside of the door.
I need to know. She needed to.
So look, you just scroll up to the timeline and you can hit enter, and then you can even just hit enter again. It's going to give you the numbers to identify words here. What I was pointing out at the end is, instead of doing that individually, you can come here, hit comma, and press 5, and hit enter, and it's going to give you all 5 numbers all at once.
I'm struggling to understand what this is like.
And just the number.
It's a random number generator. This was a random digit table to get random words, so it's not subjective, right?
So do I
This, yep. Now, well, you have to hit enter, okay? One thing I will point out is, you can actually just hit enter, and it'll just redo that operation.
I just messed up.
The-
So I gotta go find the words now.
And then you need to find the words. Now, the other thing is,
You could have just said that.
I did. If you hit comma and then 5, it'll just give you all 5 numbers at once.
Hey, what a go.
So. we
Right?
just highlight one.
So highlight those 5. I would use a different color or something.
messed this entire thing up.
How?
Okay. I put it's supposed to be this. Just mark it out. Okay. Alright. What a
I got 5.5 of them.
Yes, sir.
What happens if I get two same numbers?
Skip it. And then get it numbered, right? So, what you get? That's very unusual, but what I would do is, so I'd use 267, 219, 203, 211, 269. Yep. You got your average? Go ahead and put your dot up here. By the way, RNG is for random number generator.
oh 3.
How?
9.
Keith.
I'm at. So, if you get the same numbers, skip it. No, the same average. That's fine. That might tell you something. What might the average be? Somewhere around that 3.5, 3.6 range? Right? Belvoirier, have you done your 5 words on the calculator? Where's your average? Did you do it on the board yet? You haven't done that, Belvoirier. Come on. No, you're trying to sleep. There's no thinking. You gotta get your 5 words. There's no thinking involved in that.
Okay, so what you did? So you find an average. What we did last time.
Okay?
How you know that?
Guys, we have 2.5 minutes left. Get your average, and as you're walking out the door, if you haven't already put the average up here, make sure you put your average on this dot plot, and we'll start back there tomorrow.
How easy.
Yeah, we got 2 minutes left. Yep. So once you get your average, you can pack up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I know, right? Time flies when you're having fun.
Can we grab
Just
our
hands
phones?
down is like my favorite thing.
Hey, Mr.
It's so
Finney.
much fun to study.
Oh, Mr. Kitty. Can we grab our phones?
Say again.
Can we grab our phones?
Can you grab your phone? All right.
Not at home. You are not at home, bro.
Yes, you can. All right, please notice your assignments. The talk on M5-72 that is due tomorrow, along with the right portion on M5-73. I think it's 73, maybe 74, but that's to help us prepare for the understanding check on Friday. We also will start normal distributions tomorrow. Everything through what we have learned today will be on your understanding check on Friday. I don't know about normal distributions yet. I'll see how we feel about it before I commit. Questions, comments, concerns? Overall, good work today for most of us. It was good to see us. Yes, I'll send out the first parent newsletter next month, and then I'll spend time today.
I have a look, I need to get a receiver that's not literally all the receivers.
I was wondering if y'all were brothers, but then I couldn't tell because y'all don't look very different. Yeah, you were struggling.
Okay, what is?
And didn't come to school.
Hey,
It was tardy. He did his tardy a lot.
Oh, yeah, no.
He was tardy a lot, and then he
I always
slept all
wondered
the
that,
time.
because I would wake up and I'd leave him, he's still in the shower, like, does he make it to class?
No, he doesn't.
Did he have first, did he have it for
He had me for first block.
So I was like, there's no way he's making it to class, because I'm sitting there, because I was running late. I got to my class in like 2 minutes.
Yeah.
I had 2 minutes before the bell, I'm like,
There's no way he got
There's
there,
no way
and he didn't.
Especially after he got that concussion.
Yeah. That was a struggle too.
That was a
That made it
night.
even worse.
That
Yeah.
was, that was a night, I'll tell you what.
Yeah.
But, I mean,
Kids, I understand. Get some sleep.
Come on, let's
Just work for your learning. That's the only issue, right? So make sure you get enough sleep.
Like, I thought my sleep last night, like I was supposed to, it's just, for some reason, whenever I sleep,
Yeah.
I can go to sleep and, I'll wake up, go to school, and be perfectly fine for like maybe like